What do you bring to the piano? You bring your hands, of course. But how do we use them? We use them with the number system, 1 through 5, starting with your thumbs as number 1. Let's practice finger numbers on our right hand. When you hear a number, lift that finger up. Are you ready? Finger number 3. Finger number 5. Finger number 1. Finger number 2. Finger number 4. Finger number 1. Finger number 5. Finger number 2. Finger number 3. Now let's try 2 at a time. 1 and 5. 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 1 and 3. 2 and 4. Feels funny, right? 1 and 4. Even funnier, huh? 5 and 2. 1 and 2. Great job.